Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to International Conference on Education in Mathematics, Science and Technology, and also International Conference on Research in Education and Science. Opening ceremony program start with the Professor Dr. Mustafa Pehlevan welcome speech, then continue with the keynote speech. Now I would like to invite the Professor Dr. Mustafa Pehlevan to make the welcome speech. Please.
Good afternoon to everyone. Before beginning to my speech, I would like to thank the President of Necmettin Erbakan University, Professor Dr. Muzaffer Şeker, and Vice Presidents. My name is Mustafa Pehlevan, and I am a professor of chemistry. I am also the Dean of LAD Education Faculty at Necmettin Erbakan University in Konya. We are here today in another conference of ICEMST on the behalf of the Organization Committee of the International Conference on Education in Mathematics, Science and Technology, and also International Conference on Research in Education and Science. As President of both of these organizations, I am going to briefly present the aims of the current conferences. Firstly, I am congratulating scientists, researchers and students who keep on involving their studies on education all over the world. We are international conference on education in mathematics, science and technology, and also international conference on research in education and science. We are honored to organize this event at Queen Elizabeth Elite Suite Hotel in Kemer, Antalya. By this opportunity, we hope all the participants will be able to develop scientific knowledge and scientific exchange through this well-organized conference. In addition, we will hope you are going to spend a few restful days on the rich historical and cultural ambience of Antalya and also beautiful beaches of the Mediterranean Sea. Now, I am going to provide some information about participants. About 300 researchers from 37 different countries are participating in the conference. Furthermore, a total of 312 academic works are going to be presented at this event. Most of the studies, 200 are focused on mathematics, science and technology education, while we have also other studies, 110 focused on pure science topics. We would like to acknowledge by expressing our deepest gratitude to keynote speakers. Professor Dr. Martin Simon from New York University, USA. Professor Dr. Julie Luft, who is also Associate Editor for the Journal of Research in Science Teaching from University of Georgia, USA. Professor Dr. Soner Yıldırım from Middle East Technical University, Turkey. Professor Dr. Karen Conner from the City University of New York, USA. Professor Dr. Vencia Joy Hu from Eastern Virginia Medical School, USA. And Professor Dr. Servet Yatin from Quincy College, USA, for accepting our invitation to present a keynote speech in our conferences. We thank the Professor Dr. Servet Yatin from Quincy College, who are going to present a workshop STEM motivation workshop for a sustainable pipeline, a global perspective to encourage us how to engage in successfully designing and practicing STEM-based reform efforts. The hotel is projected as a harbor with different ships. The biggest hotel and the others are villas. Anchored to the sea, the main concept of the premises is to create a unique and elegant holiday for distinguished guests. We hope you can get benefits from the unique facilities the beautiful hotel presents us and enjoy the sea and beaches the great city of Kemer offers us. We also would like to thank to the members of the organization committee who contribute with their intense efforts for this conference and our sponsors. Ereğli College of Education, Necmettin Erbakan University, Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, International Journal of Education in Mathematics, Science and Technology, International Journal of Research in Education and Science, Journal of Education in Science, Environment and Health and Meal Education, and software company for their support. Thank you for your attention and participation. We wish you have a good and productive time here. Thank you.